Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the volcanic bobber bait skin in the new Fish It update. So the volcanic bobber skin is one of the new accessories items in the Kana expansion update, and in here I'm going to show you how you can get it easily. So this is how the volcano bobber will look like, and to get it you just need to finish a mission or a quest from the Kana event. In here you can see it by clicking on this Kana events on the left side, on the right side of your screen. There will be this pufferfish hunter. So this is the mission that you need to do. You need to just only catch 5 magma pufferfish and you'll get the volcanic bobber as the reward. So the magma pufferfish is an epic fish, so it's not hard to catch. You can just catch 5 of them, and after that you'll get the volcanic bobber as the reward. And so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.